Pfizer, a little bit move here, 439.77. Markets are down today. It's the first day of the Fed FOMC meeting. Everyone's expecting a 25 basis cut hike. And I think the overall tone is it's priced in, and there could be a positive reaction on this. This is an interesting meeting. Because again, one meeting closer to the end. And I think this is a pretty decent one, and I think there is a good shot that we could actually get a little rally afterwards. I don't like to hear too many people talk about it, but I'm not totally against that theory. I think it's a good theory to go run with right now. Let me double check Mr. Land. Oh, sorry guys, it was not.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
SYY, Cisco reporting 84 cents in earnings. The estimate on Cisco was 92 cents. Adjusted earnings of 90 cents. That's a short. Sales of 18.9 billion is a beat on sales. Miss on earnings for SYY. At the LE, Franklin Electric reporting 79 cents. The estimate on Franklin Electric was 63 cents. That's a beat. Sales 484.6 million is a beat for Foster Echo Lima Echo.
All right, you can see these stocks jumping around here at 8 o'clock. That tends to happen. There's another wave of, we got LICN here, popping here a bit, LICN. Keep an eye on that. Excited for the pre-market trade, but we gotta just have patience. Something will pop up here. We got a 100 point gainer. I mean, our basically 100 point gainer, 100% gainer. Excuse me, 100 point gainer. I didn't have a big position, but still, that's pretty impressive percentage gains. And this is where to find them. I'm excited to get here. I was thinking of getting here earlier in the morning, but I see it's not a busy morning. You know, I would think more people would take advantage of the trading pre-market because I think it's easier to catch really big. That's where you're going to make some big money. If you catch it right, you're going to make some big money. And why are we here? To make that big money. So I mean, you might as well go to where the big fish are. So trying to little pay attention after hours too. That one popped up after hours, and we were just happened to be right on it. I mean, I was just right on it, so pretty fast. And it popped up on this. It didn't pop up on any type of news. It just popped up on my scanner, and it was only like 50,000 shares traded or something. It was really small, and it wasn't really mine. I just jumped right in. I said, "All right, I gotta leave now." It was right at the close. So, well, after the close, but I didn't have much time, so I got that because we were just in front of it. And I've been noticing that because when I go home and do some, research and stuff, I look back at the markets, I look at some of the scans and stuff, I'll see some. I always go through my pre-market movers and just kind of analyze each one of them. I go through the charts like this right here, and I just kind of get a view of there's any patterns that form based off of some of the moving averages and some of the time frames. And then that's how we come about, setting up a blueprint, or what I call the I guess the blueprint for a pre-market popper, and how the whole thing works. With the news, the first move to the 20 or the open trade, the 9:30 open trade, and to consolidate into strength. These type of setups, and understanding that most of these fade, and it's very important to take it off, even though you might be wrong sometimes and the stock runs. The majority of the time it's not going to do that. Just happened to get lucky in a couple. What was the one yesterday? That big runner.
You're listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
But by the time I got my order set up and stuff, it was already flagging out. Then it kind of just drifted sideways. But I was okay with it. Because I knew the next day I've been seeing these stocks here run. So now we kind of popped, sold it. This thing could easily pop further. Easily. And then the last one here, I'm still waiting for something new to pop up. I'll just get into something. Now, we're not expecting a lot out of the markets today. No. This is going to be a tough day for the just getting anywhere. Percentage, yeah. Hold on, Orlando. Let me get myself my Coke here. Let me get my Coke. Let me get my my stuff set up here. And then we'll go over the percentage losers. All right, hold on. I have no water. I have to get some water. there. All right, jumping back here with you. Percentage losers. Let's take a look at that. All right, we're going to take a look at all U.S. stocks. And let me make this bigger for you. And let's go to percentage loser.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with
So I'm
no
just gonna
credit
go through
card.
'em
You
real
can
fast
try
with you,
out all
see
of
what
our
the charts
services
look
for
like. We'll go
10
through
days
like
at
20 of 'em.
DTR.TV
Now look at the
/free.
dailies.
Thanks
Start
for
off with the
listening and
dailies.
have a great day.
All right, so GDC, this is the big pop from yesterday. This was our best bet from yesterday. And boy, did it go. It went, I think from $3.30 to $40. Not bad. Not bad. Now that's coming back a lot, so of course that has that. And again, these are all going to be shorts. I would not get in looking for a bounce, so they're all dead. Chegg here. This is interesting. This was an earnings thing. And did you hear about this news on this one? CHGG. They're blaming Chat GPT. You know, whatever. I always mess up the last three initials. That chat AI chat thing. They says this is educational. They teach kids tutoring and stuff like that, I guess. Well, anyway, they were saying that kids are using more and more the Chat GPT and to do homework and do projects and stuff, and it's cutting into their business. So that is the look at that. That got cut in half. I don't like it. I don't like it. You know, even for a bounce play, I understand why they got hurt. I was, you know, with kids these days, my son, you know, I could do a case study on my son because I talked to him about it. He absolutely hates school, you know, and I understand that. I said, you know, I could relate. I think when I was your age, I hated going to school. And of course, he's using the Chat GPT to help him with his homework. I mean, who wouldn't? I mean, especially as a kid in this day and age and all the distractions, you try to get through that stuff. But I don't know. I mean, I think I remember the same thing. Like, why am I learning this when I could use a calculator? it's hard to explain to your son or whoever that the problem solving aspect of it is so important. But that's that'll catch up to us. And I could see this artificial intelligence, taking over some things. I don't know how it's going to happen, but I could see that within the next 5 years there would be some kind of artificial intelligence situation, that locked itself into locked itself out. It's in the internet. I don't know. I don't even know how it would play out. But it seems like it's easy enough to play out the way we hear about how this thing communicates and how it does its thing. Start learning itself. I don't know. We're entering that weird age, the Matrix age. So nice little pullback on the MES here. This is a nice little downward channel. Again, remember yesterday we talked about what do we think the market's going to do? We think sideways to down today. I would say sideways to down. Let me see what's going on here. Just because we're going to wait. We're not going to see this market take off before the Fed meeting. And people are realizing that.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, sorry. Eating my breakfast there for a second. AYTU looks like a follow-through down day. It's been selling off since 3. Second down day on this. ATWO might be a follow-through from news last night. We're looking at the highest percentage losers. Lending Tree had earnings out, it looks like. And that's getting hit here. Let's take a look at that 5-minute chart, just see what they're doing. Yeah, so it gapped down. It's at the lows. Looks awful. Boss, this one back down 18% now. It had a, well, yeah, it's just dragging down from yesterday. Yesterday had the big move in this. BAOS. I can't even remember. Did we trade that one? For some reason I feel we did, but I don't see it on my list. Oh, yes. So that's most of the big losers today so far. I'm going to see a couple other
You
ones
are
here.
listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up
Somebody-
completely
no
for
volume
free
on
with
some
no
of
credit
these.
card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free.
actually up
Thanks
now.
for listening and have a great day.
Not seeing anything here. Let's go back. How's this up? All right, one more time. Motorsports games. Again, you can see the pop, drop, pop, drop, pop. See how far it goes before it starts dropping again. This one here, we're going to circle this one. It's $1.31. We're looking for our best bet for a popper into the open and maybe a runner. Maybe not. Maybe we won't see one today. The Weifu, it's already gotten its second day underway. Just marking these off. I tell you, I was kind of binging the Ted Lasso last night. MedX. There's probably another Chinese crazy stock. 33 cents here. That's at the highs right now. That's actually heading up. Already did this one. And I've been watching it season 3. It's really good. It's getting really good. Ted Lasso. If you haven't seen it, definitely I highly recommend it. They just went to Amsterdam. And I'm thinking, man, I've never been to Amsterdam. I like to go to Amsterdam. Well, where did we sell that? We sold that over here. So we did the right thing so far. I think that's on my bucket list, Amsterdam. I bet you that's one of the cities you either love or hate. See, I could love it. I like all kinds of I know if I could walk around it, that's great. I don't want to take. I don't like going to cities where I have to, get into a cab and drive every place. I like to be able to walk. Oh, you're making the move here. Wow, Rick, moving to the Philippines. That's pretty exciting. May 11th. Wow, that's right around the corner. Well, congratulations. That's going to be. I've been watching a lot of videos on the Philippines, living out there. Not for me personally, but it's on my feed for some reason, and or it's just kind of cool. People travel around. See how it is. That's smart. Not overcommitting. That's good. All right, maybe possible divergence here. Market's at the lows.
You are
I don't like
listening
to see
to
the
Day
market start
Trading
off at the
Radio.
lows. We have about
Sign
an hour
up
to go before
completely
the
for
market
free with
opens.
no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free.
Plan to go and
Thanks
stay
for
one here.
listening and have a great day.
That's a good plan.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day. You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up
Hey
completely
everybody,
for free
I'm
with
still
no
here
credit
with you.
card. You can
Market
try
here
out
coming
all
up
of our services
to
for 10
about
days
a
at
little less than an hour now to start off here.
dtr.tv/free.
Just
Thanks
passing
for
over
listening
8:30.
and have a great day.
Taking care of some stuff here. Michael, awesome. Awesome. I think you missed a few in the morning too. I was just thinking about that, the GDC from yesterday. There's some other ones, but I'm glad you got the hour after hours. After hours. I always thought I actually was thinking about hoping that you got in it. It's looking good, 521. Yes. All right, what am I looking at here? Oh, we got a new one on there. Oh, the Met X. So look at the Met X here, popping up here. No flag. No blue flag, meaning that we really didn't look at it. But I do remember looking at that one this morning. I just probably didn't mark it off and it fell back down, yeah. So we looked at it a little bit earlier today. It's kind of pulled off the highs. We'll mark that off. This might be a candidate for 20 period moves. It's real kind of cheap. Definitely finding out the better running stocks are priced a little bit above $3. Around that $3, high $2, $3 area. Maybe if I see something really good, I'll text you. Jewel, JWEL, 41 cents. PL, probably,
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Yeah, Nick, that'd be tough. Oh man! All right, so market here got up to that previous level. VWAP is above us here. That's the most important line on the chart right now that we like to watch, especially on a bounce up into it, like we did back here and did back here. Fed. This is the first day of a Fed meeting. The consensus is for a quarter-point hike. I think a lot of people are thinking that's already priced in, and yeah, I think it is priced in. The question is, what's the reaction off the market? If you follow things like I follow, got the ear to the ground. It feels slightly bullish going into this. I guess the wild card is going to be the banking comments, if there's any serious discussion on the banks when they come out with the rate decision. So I'm looking for a possible rally out of this, but I don't like to be part of the consensus sometimes. Morning, bull trader. For those just getting in, we did have stock here from yesterday, hour. We took profits on this morning right at this level. Some people are still holding it maybe. We got in that one after hours, and that popped up on our scanner. That was just an early popper, and I just looked at it. I said, oh, we're on this one. Take a shot, left, come back next morning. It's up nice. Nothing's really changing other than we're not expecting a lot out of the market today. That's kind of the bad thing. But just seeing what's coming in on my alerts there. Nice, Papa. Let's not forget about the H. This is another cheap one. Paul brought to the table when I was on vacation, and I continue to watch this HCNWF here. Now it's a take a look at the daily here. It's kind of hanging in there. It's holding that 20-period moving average. I put this circle on here because I wanted to see it pull back to 20. It actually pulled back here, bounced, and then pulled back here again. And we're actually right on that 20-period moving average. Like it. I still like this one. I think we're going to get back through $2. If there's any more news on it, looks pretty good. Let's take a look here. Netflix, Boeing here, 203. Boeing got hit a little yesterday. I was a little surprised on that. But you know what? Not really. Some of these stocks are really, just waiting for the right time in the market. Unless the market fell apart, I think you're pretty safe in some of these, the Boeings of these days. I mean, unless course, the wing
You are
falls off the
listening to
plane.
Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all
Did
of
we
our
just play this
services
song
for
before?
10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
I like it. I'll also think of AbbVie here, so this has a really good look to just closing that gap, just moving right back up to 162. So you got a good upside here. You got some good upside on AbbVie. See, we've been trading this and following this quite a bit recently. Came right back to the support line back here too. I mean, this is... Let's take a look at AMZN here. Let's take a look at some of these. All right. Nothing pre-market here yet, other than the one with hour. That's the one we're in. So other than that, not much missing much here. Market got through that little downward wedge up to the 200, 846. Take a look at Netflix here. Netflix has been got hit pretty good, right? No, maybe yesterday was getting hit pretty good. I think we were noticing it selling off here. It was pretty steep. We're looking at it. As it was mentioned, I said, man, this is getting pretty steep here. We might see a V bottom off of this. And yeah, look at that nice big V bottom. Now it's starting to move up the other way, starting to break out to the upside. AI, yeah, tough one. What else came out? Oh, NXPI. How did that do? Oh, nice. Nice little pop this morning. 177 NXPI. There was also a divergence here. Jerry brought the divergence to our attention. The earnings have come out yesterday.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
506. Hour's hanging in there pretty good. Yeah, iTalks. Wasn't that just recent? I have 20,000 shares of that. I mean, that's not doing anything. That's a tell me something's going on with it that I don't see. Please. Oh, there you go. Yeah, we have to. You know what? I remember seeing this thing run last year, and I was watching it go up, and I was like, yeah, damn, we're doing pretty good. It's up to 8. What was it? Up to 8 cents at one point. All right, an eighth of a cent, something. 8 cents, and it was moving pretty good. I was like, wow, And then looking back at it, but it's pennies. What is my holdings are worth $30? It's nothing even. I don't even mention it. But for whatever reason, this ever gets caught in the AI phase and ends up at $3. It's just a great little gamble here. I have no. If I did see a little momentum on this, though, I've thought about it, adding to it. What's my average here? 0.0004. You know what? And I do have it on my chart here. It's right up on the top here, but it's always dead. It's right here. Look, it just doesn't even look like anything. I always keep it up on the top of my screen up there. All right, market here starting to turn back up. Again, not expecting too much. Could be actually a great tradeometer today. A great tradeometer day because of the potential chop we have. Down about 8. I don't see us going down too much more. And I think we end up closing around positive territory. Hour here starting to move.
Shares of Uber off the highs at $35.72 now, up about $3. Following their better than expected report.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Got some good music on right now. All right, let's see if we get through that 200 here. We got Hour on the Move here. Hour is on the move. Got the GNRC on my screen here.
HOUR, Power Loop, $5.30. About 240% now. Off to the earlier highs. That's Hotel Oscar Uniform Romeo.
$314. We gave it to you. $314.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, to hell with you. Conserving our energy for the open here. Not much going on, and we're not expecting a lot going on. I hear they're still rioting in Paris. Is that still true? I feel like I'm in a different universe. These huge riots going on in Paris. Surprised they're not being covered like constantly on the news. Let me see what's going on here. Someone just tweeted out. Oh, firebomb. Someone just threw a firebomb. Oh, that was loud. Hold on. Let me fix what's going on. I want to see what's going on here. All right, let's see. It was not too loud. Wow. Guy's on fire. Wow. It's like a war zone. They're not very organized, are they? God, that's pretty crazy.
Coinbase introducing Coinbase
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try
Bed Bath and
out all of our
Bankruptcy.
services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a
Bed
great
Bath and
day.
Bankruptcy. I'm looking at, going into the open here, just a sideways consolidation. Most of these setups, except the, again, Hour continues to look like the best bet going into the open here. Hour continues to look, I wouldn't be surprised to see a pop on this, the way it's holding up into the open. If I wasn't already in this and never already taken profits, I might get it in again just for a little pop in the morning. But I always feel like I jinx myself by double dipping. I give the stock a chance to get its money back. I don't like to do that. 314, 316 where we got in was the right spot. But this actually, let's circle it again. It looks like the best bet for the open here. Best bet for the open for a continued pop. And $6 is not a bad target on that. Lucid. Let's take a look at Lucid. We'll see ID. Chop and block, pop and chop. Solan mentioned something out there. Got that thing going a bit. Came right back. All right. Well, good morning, everyone. Hope we've got some new trials out there. I want to welcome you. If you're a new trial, feel free to jump in the chat room. All right, market here. It's going to start off near the lows of the session. I want to bring up my tradeometer for this morning. Again, this is a good walkthrough to the trials out there at Day Trading Radio. Make sure that you check your email to make sure you got your link to get in. So when you log in, you put your username, password, into your dashboard here, and again, your dashboard. Up here in the upper right hand corner is where your chat room is going to be. Chats. Make sure your alerts are all set up. Check out all the links up here. The important one here, the playbook. Just a couple of great lessons you want to start off with learning. Catch you up to, we have business plan for traders, the pre-market popper lesson plan, quad rotation. It's a trade setup that we usually take here. a lot of different things. What defeats diversion, a lot of divergent stuff.
You are
Kind of just
listening
really
to
gets you up to
Day Trading
date
Radio.
on
Sign up
the type of
completely
trades
for
we
free
take
with
here.
no credit card. You
And
can
then we
try
do have
out
the
all of our
specific trade
services for
setups.
10
X marks
days
the
at
spot, EMA breakdown, channel line bounce, 1, 2, 3 pattern,
Thanks for
things you'll
listening
hear
and
all
have a
day,
great day.
and how to trade these setups. Each individual thing, call stochastic setup, channel breakout, stochastic rotation, wedge patterns, just the important stuff. So that's a starting package here for the, actually that's for paid subscribers. We're putting together a basic one for the trials, even more basic, just to kind of get you set up so you could trade even. But anyway, go down here to the Tradometer, right down here in the lower right hand corner. Click on that, and that's going to pop up. And I would read through it. It tells you exactly what this thing does and how the signals work and stuff. A lot of good information there. And then click on that. And kind of zoom it in here. I'll bring it over here. And then you could let this thing be just hang underneath your browsers. Has an audio level on it. Now if you zoom in here, you'll notice that the red represents a sell. This is a scalping tool. So it's supposed to be, for fast little moves. This is based off the 1 minute time frame. So the trades are based off the 1 minute time frame. But again, this is an indicator in itself that you could line up with the rockbot. If the rockbot and the tradometer go off together, that is a must-take trade. If there's a trade, if there's a situation happening live, and I point out a nice divergence, or the rockbot points out divergence, and you get a tradometer setup, again, that's kind of your perfect setup. So we'll keep it kind of zoomed in here. A little bit more action on the YM today. And you'll hear the audio level. You'll hear this in the background. All those lessons and stuff are for the, there's a good starting package that we put out. It's 3 month starting package. It's an absolutely great way of starting here. And let's see here, the rockbot here is looking okay. Not much going on there. Should I got a quad rotation? Well, maybe not. Maybe there wasn't. Should have got one here. That divergence quad rotation, 830. I don't see it on my board here. Oh, well, I don't think it was below the level we needed. Anyway, that was a 830 bounce. It was nice. We bounced up. Now we're retesting that. Market's about 15 minutes to go.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Tradometer ES oversold. Tradometer YM oversold.
All right, a little breakdown here. Again, just snapped out to the lows. And here's that big blue line here. We've been dealing with this blue line for a while. This looks like a pretty decent pullback. Remember, yesterday we also have a good trend line here. Let's just take a look at this. This is a good trend line coming up. We're going to be watching. There's a rise in trend line. We're nowhere near it yet. That's a big 30 points down. But if that does come into play, it's a good spot. This red line. We've hit it multiple times. Uber. Uber had good reports today. I like the Uber. Anything with good report tends to bring up, people are going to be focused on it. Money flow is going to go to it. I like the pullback here. Overall, I do like the Uber here. Market getting a nice bounce off of that candle. So yeah, nice reversal candle. Let's take a long.
Order submitted.
I'm going to take a
Order
long
filled.
here. Let's see if we can switch over to a live trading chart. I don't know if it's. Oh yes, I got it up. Good. So I'm going to take a long here, and I'm going to take that long off of that reversal candle that we're seeing that just played out. I'm going to zoom back over here to this candle. You see this candle that we just put in here? It's right at the lows. It's off that blue line. I think it's a good risk reward going into the open too. Maybe this is the low. The market opens up and we kind of level out, move up a little. Pretty good area to define stop. We break down, it's not a big deal. I only hold in one contract just to be part of this trade. Let's see how Pfizer reacts today. We got our stocks that we're holding. What time is it here? 10-minute countdown.
market update, the S&P futures down 9, the Dow futures down 86, NASDAQ down 7, crude is down 97 cents at 74.69, natural gas down 7
Come on,
cents
Disney,
at
get back up there.
35 cents. Gold is up $3.30
You are listening to
at
Day Trading
19.95.
Radio.
Bitcoin futures
Sign
up
up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
You hear this version of Mother? Danzig's Mother, done by this band. It's pretty cool. BBBT here. BBBT. Sorry, I missed that one before. I'm ADD. Whatever. Oh man. BBB. Oh, BY. You said, but oh, we went over that before. BBY. Bed Bath & Beyond. No, it's gone. It's going to be zero soon. Maybe it has a pop in it. I can't even tell you. I mean, if it has some type of dying breath. GDC is going crazy. GDC. That's sinking back down. Again, that was our best bet from yesterday. If we were looking at a best bet for today, well, there's not much on our radar here. There really isn't. The hour looks good, but I'm out of the hour. We took profits on it. We took it. Looks like we did the right thing, as it is starting to pull back some. But that was the best one I could see going into the open here.
TSLA, Tesla, Digitimes reported Tesla with new gigafactory in Shanghai eyeing closer tie with local supply chain.
Like to see a little further upside here on the CI. Remember, it's just a good fundamental levels here in CI. Earnings are coming out at the end of the week on this Friday. Pfizer earnings are out. Might get a pop on that, maybe. We'll see. Looking for something new today. See where our big trade will be today. Keep an eye out on the LICN. All right, let's just go to this one, LICN. It had a pop the other day. It started to move back up. It's actually up a little and then chopping around. It's just China limited. Keep an eye on that. Yeah. Only if it moves. I'll keep an eye on it. I actually have it on my screen. I'll keep an eye on it.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv
Here's another
free.
great
Thanks for
cover they
listening
do.
and have a great day.
I really like this band. It's called Prep School. All right, here we go. About 5 minutes to go. Doing a Nirvana cover. Let's take a look at the earnings out after the close. We're going to have Ford. We're going to have Advanced Micro Devices, Starbucks. Match Group here. Paycom. Clorox. I bet they're using Chat GPT for like Match.com and dating to make you guys. Chat GPT login.
LXEH spiking again now $1.93 on Lima X-Ray Echo Hotel.
Make me a dating profile for online dating sites. Make me make me cool. Let's see what it does. Sure. I can help you create a dating profile. About me. Hi there. I am occupation. You're not helping me anything. When I'm not working, you could usually find me exploring new hiking trails, trying new recipes in the kitchen, and planning my next travel adventure. I love a good book, good wine, and good company. I'm a social butterfly who enjoys meeting new people and trying new things, but I also appreciate a cozy night on the movie and Netflix binging. What I'm looking for someone who shares my loves and adventures and can keep up with my spontaneous streak. I value intelligence, humor, and kindness, and I'm looking for someone who can challenge me intellectually and make me laugh until my sides hurt. Bonus points if you have a big if you are a foodie. I don't know. I've seen these before, I think. Wow, see? I mean, how do you believe anything anymore? How do you believe anything? You could use that. Let's go grab a drink, go for a hike, and see where things go. Yippee. Match.com. I should have made it sound like I was James Bond. Make me a James Bond character. All right, here we go. Market here about to open up.
One minute to the U.S. market open.
All right, well, let's see what happens here. Are the lows in? We maybe have the lows. There's a pretty decent candle, but I don't know. I'm going to put a... I have one contract here. We're up just a couple ticks. We could sell off here. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. You know where you are? You're in the jungle, baby.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for
All
listening
right,
and
well,
have a great day.
4180 represents the VWAP here. Disney here was showing a little relative weakness earlier today, and let's watch the Pfizer here, and the market is open, and here we go. Kraft Money has made it.
U.S. markets are open.
And again, first day of the Fed meeting here. There goes Pfizer here out of the gate. Looks pretty good. Market here kind of choppy. We're watching our flatline popper list here. We're getting a little pop on Tesla.
To the middle market.
Market looks a little
That's
droopy here.
great.
We might take out the lows just to rip higher.
YORW, York Water, reporting 26 cents.
I want to hold on to this. I'm not letting this go. I'm just going to let this play its games here. Down $20 on the trade. Well, watch for a lot of chop here. Let's see here what's holding up. Actually, a good little flush that's really kind of push us to a point where we could easily see something. And what I'm seeing right now, I'm seeing that Generac holding up here, 102.41 here, going before earnings. I really like the Generac. We picked it up yesterday, and I think we're going to run before earnings today. I think the one of the best bets is going to be the Generac. Generac, GNRC.
Down 0.14%. S&P 500 down 0.23% after the open.
So we got some movers.
Tradometer YM oversold.
So we got a trade out. Remember we talked about having a tradeometer on, so now we're starting to get the oversold level. Amazon here, we're ripping a reversing here. Amazon reversing hard to the upside here. Pfizer continue to look pretty good. Hour starting to bounce here. Big pop here on Tesla. Big pop on Tesla at 163. Shopify here. Earnings are going to be coming out this week. Shopify popping to the highs of the day. Nice pop on Pfizer. About to take out 40. GNRC, like I said, GNRC holding up pretty good. Market though weak. No bounce. I'm seeing big bounces on Amazon, Tesla, Apple, but I'm not seeing the S&P here pop. Something's weighing this thing down.
INBZ Innoviz announced that it's on track to deliver LiDAR technology.
Boeing here, a little pop and a little drop, but again, not seeing that much on that.
That's India November Victor Zulu.
I'm telling you, I feel like the market here could break down a little further. It does not look strong, even though I'm seeing individual stocks here moving. Market relatively weak right now at the lows. See if we can pop out of this. Amazon continue to kind of lift here. Tesla continue to lift, and Apple continue to lift on my screen. Shopify here popping.
ABDL, Avadel Pharmaceuticals, hitting the high of $12.
Yeah, this is going lower. I feel like we're going to go a little lower here. I'm going to take this off.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order
I'm going to leave
filled.
that off for now.
Company announced
Maybe we get actually a divergence now. Now we just took out the low. Johnny's out. Let's go back up now.
multiple price target raises this morning. That's Alpha Victor Delta Lima. Off the highs now up.
What am I missing here on my screen? Where's the Sig? Sig's here. Not much going on there. It's just dead.
Coming up at 10 a.m. Eastern Time.
Oh, that dropped off pretty good here. What the hell?
Notice for March
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days
Now
at
it's gonna go.
dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Tradometer NQ overbought.
Tesla here. Big pop here. Good volume coming in on Tesla. I'm going to move that up on the screen here.
MBO, Ambo Education, hitting 50 cents at the high for Michael Bravo Oscar.
At V here, we're looking very strong. At V, ABBV. Again, we like that on that pullback. 154.25 now. GNRC, again, the best bet of the day. We should put that on the top here where we typically put our best bets here. CI is dropped and then starting to pop back up here, but we're going to put the GNRC up here. Expecting a nice rally today just before earnings. Showing good relative strength so far. Oh, let me bring that over here. We got in it yesterday. It continues to look very good. And we've been pulling these things out of the hat every day, so pay attention to this one. GNRC. Pfizer here continue to push higher.
There is a Adenpack scoop getting a pop here on that.
LINC. Remember the LICN here? We talked about paying attention to it.
30%.
There's the market drop in there. Doesn't make me feel bad now. This is the one we talked about keeping an eye on. LICN here. LICN here on the move. First alert. LICN. It's a Chinese stock. $279. I was in at 233. Let's take a look at it closer here now.
ETWO.
Nice pop.
Trading resumed after a halt.
Yeah.
So Tango Whiskey Oscar.
I would definitely say it's worth watching this one. It's definitely probably worth getting in it.
Yeah, we put their earnings yesterday after the close. ETWO.
GDC, we have no reason to have that one up on our screen anymore. We'll move that lichen over here for a second. No position as right now. Tesla, big pop here on Tesla.
MSGM getting some volume here. Michael Sandy Golf Michael. And MGAM also. Michael Golf Alpha Michael. LEJU halted on a circuit breaker. They may go to the uniform.
Alright, here comes Bowen here, 203. Let's take a look at some of these other ones. Tesla here pulling back now for the first time. Pfizer still looking pretty good. Trying to get through that 40 level today. Amgen here
You're
looking
listening
okay.
to
Market here.
DayTrading Radio.
Do we have the bounce in
Sign
it
up
now?
completely
Do we
for
have a
free
bounce
with no
area?
credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10
What-
days at
Order
We'll take a
submitted.
shot here.
Order
I'm going to take
filled.
another shot here on the
Thanks
one
for listening
contract
and have a
just to
great day.
be part of this. I'll put my stop in at the lows here. Still looking for that to move back up. Yeah, we got a little move here now. There we go. Got a point. Let's see if that 950 reversal hangs in. I'm going to hold on to this for a bit. See if we get a reversal off this level. ABV here looking very strong. ABBV.
LXEA. Shares hiking again. Hitting $2.44 at the high up about 300%. LXEH. And shares are halted. At the highs on a circuit breaker, LXEH. There's resuming and immediately halted on LXEH. There's up 293% now. Lima X-ray Echo Hotel.
Lima, X-ray. What was the... something hotel.
AMBO, another China education stock spiking here, 51 cents.
That's it right there. Is this the one?
Michael Bravo, Oscar.
LXEH here. So it halted here. LXEH here. Halted. Man, that one kind of snuck. Got away from us. I don't know if I want to chase these Chinese. They were getting to the end of those runs. Net, I remember, again, net still looks a little tired. Let's take a look at net. Yeah, I would say 5 to 7 day pullback at least on this. Our next level of support, and I think we could get down there is, again, that high 30 area. But we're oversold. We are oversold. We're getting closer to that 5 to 7 day pullback.
NKLA, Nicola.
Amazon here popping to the highs of the day, which was showing some strength earlier. Zyme here, a little pop here. ZYME here at the highs of the day. And I would just, again, give this a little time to get the selling out of it. And then it starts to... I think it holds up. I think it holds that 40 level, the 30, high 30 level. Worst case scenario.
TBSA getting some volume now. Zulu Victor Sandy Alpha.
All right, thank you, Paul. Just to remind you, we are going to members only again for morning session here. It starts in 15 minutes, but you don't have to be on the outside. You can get on the inside and watch the show commercial free, get all the alerts, and get everything included in DayTrader Radio. Just go to DayTraderRadio.com. Become a member, or if you're not haven't taken a trial yet, you could do a trial at DTR.TV/free. DTR.TV/free. Gives you a 10-day pass to DayTrader Radio. All the alerts. Get in the chat room. Say hi. A lot of things going on here. Yeah, Pfizer here trying to get to that 40 level. What's that doing to our options? Well, at least we got a little pop on that today.
LEJU shares resumed
40,
trading
yeah.
now.
I think we can get through 40. I think we're going to get through 40.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Al Sheng. Al Sheng. Al Sheng. That's Chinese all the way. Amgen starting to move up a little. Google here dropping back down.
Halted on a circuit breaker.
Pfizer through 40. Here we go. Through 40 on Pfizer. So.
LXCH resuming.
All right, let's take a look at some of the pre-market movers here.
$2.69 at the high now. Lima X-ray at the hotel.
Yeah.
TC shares halted on the way down.
TC, all right, let me take a look here. Got a lot going on right now. All right, that's that one. Motorsport game, no interest here. Here's another Chinese name. And there's Hour here, which we're already out of that. All right, a couple in the room. And again, if you're in the room, whether you just put in those TC here. Yeah, I think we looked at this. So we looked at it back here. AI here breaking down some. Boeing here actually looks quite productive today here. It's at the highs of the day. Starting to turn back up. We got Amazon at the highs. We got Boeing at the highs. But is it at the pre-market highs? It's not the pre-market highs. I won't give it that. We're at the 9:30 highs. Pfizer pulling away from 40 to the upside. We're still looking at GNRC as your best bet today. I think we're going to actually take out the highs.
ZEV, Lightning eMotors, Steer, and Lightning eMotors announced partnership to upgrade.
And then what else we have? Market getting a little bounce here. We got about a point on that trade. Don't forget we're long here.
BEON, Beyond.
Well, it's pushed up and now it's pushed back down again. Can't get it. Again, first day of the Fed meeting. So, not expecting a tremendous day to the upside. We're expecting more of a flatter day. But I think we'll have our individual plays. Pfizer here on the move right now. GNRC, Amazon, Tesla, all looking good. AbbVie here, just off the highs. Boeing here continues to look pretty good. Google here, a little weakness. In about 10 minutes, we'll look at the FinViz market map.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a
Now we are
great
seeing
day.
Netflix here drop off here. Netflix a little weak. AI very weak on the AI here, but Amazon very strong, holding that 100 level. So, you know, I think the bad news might be past Amazon here. The earnings are behind us. They had a little issue with the AWS, the cloud issues, but look at Amazon now. Took a couple days just to hang down here.
Resuming trade now. Bravo Alpha.
Um,
Oscar Sandy, Bao Cheng.
gotta like that. Gotta like the action here.
$2. Shares now up 35%. TIRX halted. LEJU resumed.
Mr. Land is busy today with all the friggin' Chinese halts. TIRX halted on the way down now.
LEJU, Leju getting a pop.
Lyft here, I heard a discussion yesterday on Lyft, and it just does not look good for them. Does not look good for Lyft at all. So the growth cycle's over. I mean, Uber's kind of running away with it.
Dyna Shipping announcing completion of joint venture.
They are cost cutting by 30%. I think you got to get into more stocks that are going to work for you, not try to find a, you know, someone to save. I don't know. Lyft needs to be even bothered with. I like the Amazon here a lot better than the Lyft. I mean, even though it's a different price point here. And of course, the AbbVie giving you that discount after the gap down. These are different price ranges. Pfizer. Market back down to the lows here. A couple big candles though. See if we could actually try to pull something together here. Market's down to 18.
MRKR, Marker Therapeutics moving.
Not seeing anything here new on the screen. Mr. Land mentioned a few new ones.
PANH halted on a circuit breaker. Tango up with November Hotel.
I like these candles though.
Coming up, Jolts job openings for March 9.775 million. Factory orders for March plus 1.1%. Durables X Defense for March coming up at 10 a.m.
Then we get Bose quitting. Halton, BAOS. Another halt and this one. Some crazy halts today. It's a crazy day.
DNA Carvana is moving higher now, $6.96.
All right, let's take a look at TC. All right. It's Papa Phil as a TC again here. I was looking at the TC before, right? Yeah. Depository shares. They're starting to give. It's starting to ledge out. Second day. I mean, it's definitely getting the Chinese effect going with it. Well, when that Chinese effect dries up, that's gonna just kill these stocks. So a game of musical chairs with the Chinese stocks being played right now.
Carvana, $7.10.
UAN. CVR Partners. UAN, excuse me. That's on the daily. Nice pop.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up
92 to
completely for
100.
free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free.
Don't know much about this. I
Thanks
don't
for
even know what to
listening
do.
and have a great day.
It says agriculture. CVR partners. I was looking at Mosaic the other day. That one's still around. Ammonia and urea, ammonia nitrates, solution fertilizer products. Income 112 million. Not that. All right.
Tradometer YM oversold.
It does. I mean, we do have the good earnings, right? Disney's starting to turn back up a bit. All right, jobs, jolts, a job opening report coming out here at 10 o'clock.
Joanne getting a pop here.
All right, you can see Amazon showing relative strength. Pfizer pulling back over under 40. Oh man.
The AOS balance shares were halted on the way down $17.49.
Tesla looked pretty good, 164.
The AOS.
So whippy market here today, huh? We had a pop out of Boeing up to 204, now back to 202. We had a nice little move on a few stocks here, and then they're starting to reverse. The AbbVie here, a nice move to 155, now back to 154. Market's showing a little weakness at the lows. Amazon is showing relative strength. GNRC here is holding sideways at 102. We're going to call that a positive thing. SWK back up here to the highs of the day. Continue to look pretty good. Tesla just under the highs of the day. Stock pickers market today. LICN here at the Chinese stock we said watch this morning here, 266. Hanging in there. Disney holding at 100 level. And again, I still think we're going to get to the highs. We're going to break through that 103 on GNRC. Hour dropping down here under 4. That's okay. We're done with that. Again, best bet GNRC. That's all I have to say. And now you guys are going to lose connection on the outside here. YouTube, get on the inside. We'll probably touch base with you after lunch. We do a couple hours for members only because this is our profitable zone here.
LVO, Live One launches first ever chat GPT enabled search engine for music sampling. That's Lima Victor Oscar, LVO. That's Live One. Shira's getting a pop here on that, LVO. Up in less than a minute now.
All right, Jolt's job openings coming up here. Jolt's job openings.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and
All right,
have
here
a
we go.
great
Here's
day.
a little pop here on the jolts. Jolts are popping the market here a bit. See how far we go with this. Factory orders month over month coming in 0.9%, forecast for 1.3%, so that's a little down. That's probably a positive.
Factory orders plus 0.9%, consensus plus 1.1%.
That's better. That's good for Jolts job openings 9.59
Jolts job openings
million
9.59 million.
versus the 9.73 million, so better, a little weaker than expected for job openings, or at least I should say underneath the estimates.